We've all been there. That sinking feeling when the bills pile up and you're not sure how you'll make ends meet. Maybe it's an unexpected car repair, a medical expense, or just the rising cost of living. Suddenly, the idea of borrowing money starts to sound appealing. But where do you even begin? Banks have a complex application process, and payday loans come with sky-high interest rates. That's where Rocket Money comes in. You might have seen their commercials, the cheery green rocket promising to manage your finances. But can Rocket Money actually help you borrow money in a pinch? The short answer? No. Rocket Money doesn't offer loans itself. But that doesn't mean they can't be a valuable tool in your financial toolbox. Let's dive deeper and explore what Rocket Money actually does and how it can still help you weather that financial storm. Rocket Money, your financial co-pilot. Think of Rocket Money as your personal finance co-pilot. They take the wheel on some of the tedious tasks, letting you focus on your financial goals. Here are some of their key features. Bill management. Rocket Money can connect to your bank accounts and subscriptions, giving you a clear overview of your upcoming bills. No more scrambling to remember due dates or missing payments. Autopay. Feeling forgetful? Set up autopay for your bills, and Rocket Money will ensure they get paid on time, every time. This can save you from those pesky late fees. Spending tracker. Where does your money go? Rocket Money helps you categorize your spending, giving you valuable insights. Are you eating out too much? Spending a fortune on streaming services? Once you see your spending habits laid bare, you can make informed decisions and cut back in unnecessary areas. Negotiate bills. This is a hidden gem. Rocket Money can actually try to negotiate lower rates on your cable, internet, and phone bills. They do the haggling for you, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars a year. By taking control of your bills and managing your spending, Rocket Money can free up cash you might not have realized you had. This newfound breathing room can be a lifesaver when an unexpected expense hits. Building a budget without the tears. Let's face it, budgeting can feel like a chore. But it's the cornerstone of any healthy financial plan. Rocket Money can't create a budget for you, but they can provide the tools and information to make it easier. Here's how. Track your income. Rocket Money can help you track your income alongside your expenses, giving you a complete financial picture. Set goals. Are you saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund? Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated when sticking to your budget gets tough. Identify areas to cut back. Use Rocket Money's spending tracker to pinpoint areas where you can trim your expenses. Every dollar saved is a dollar you can put towards your goals or that unexpected expense. Building your financial armor. Think of Rocket Money as a form of preventative financial care. By helping you manage your bills, track your spending, and potentially lower your recurring costs, they can help you build a financial buffer. This buffer is your shield against those unexpected emergencies that can derail your budget. Beyond Rocket Money, exploring loan options. So, if Rocket Money doesn't offer loans, where do you turn if you need to borrow money? Here are a few options to consider. Personal loans. Banks and online lenders offer personal loans with fixed interest rates and repayment terms. This can be a good option for consolidating debt or covering a large expense. Just be sure to shop around for the best rates. Credit cards. A credit card can be a handy tool in a pinch, but be cautious of the high interest rates. Only use a credit card for what you can afford to repay immediately, and always pay your balance in full to avoid accruing interest.